Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Claude projects in 2026. Working on a big project with Claude projects makes everything easier. Now Claude projects help you organize chats, files, and instructions in one place. Instead of repeating yourself, you can keep context and work more efficiently. And this feature is perfect for writers, developers, and students, and also businesses. So let's set it up. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to open Claude. You're just going to go to your web browser and type in Claude, and then you're going to open the website claude.ai. Now here, you're going to go to projects. Like this, on the left side, you're going to see these options right here. Click on projects. Just like this. And as you can see here, you can search for projects. Now you're going to click on create a new project, like this. Click on the plus button. And then you're going to enter the name of the project. What are you looking for? With, for example, cars, etc. What are you trying to achieve? You can describe organizing information about cars, infos about cars, supercars, etc. Like this. You're going to add the instructions or goals and then upload files if needed. And you can start chatting inside the projects. You can click on create projects just like this. And just like this, you can talk. In this project, you can start customizing, chatting inside the projects, and Claude will remember context within that project. And make sure to never mix unrelated tasks in one project. Don't forget to update instructions and create one project per goal and use projects for long-term work. And now you know how to use Claude projects in 2026 to stay organized and productive. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.